everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how you can change profile picture on Discord. To do that, open the Discord application first and then get logged in into the account. Now once you're logged in into the Discord, you need to go to the profile page of yours. So tap on profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. In the profile page, you will see the profile picture of yours. You need to tap that. Once you tap that, you will be at this page where you will be able to make changes to your profile picture. For that, you need to tap on the eye icon just above your picture in the circle. Tap that icon, which will give you this option. From the option, you need to choose the change avatar. Tap that. This will give you two options: photos, file manager. So you need to choose the photo option if you are going to upload a profile picture from your phone gallery. Go to the photos. Now you select the picture that you want to upload it as your profile picture. I'm gonna go and tap on some random one over here. Tap on this. Adjust the profile picture as you want, then tap on tick mark on the top right. Tap that. You can see the changes being made in your profile. Now you tap on save on the top right corner. Tap that. This will make the changes official and the official profile picture of your on Discord will be changed. This is a way how you can change profile picture in Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.